How to remove a security tag from clothing using rubber bands. You buy something new and bring it home only to realize the cashier forgot to remove the security tag. Ugh! Fortunately, you can get a security tag off at home without taking a trip all the way back to the store. This video will show how to remove a security tag from clothing using rubber bands. Number 1. Place the ink cartridge of the tag face down. The ink cartridge is the part of the tag that juts out of the plastic. It is on the opposite side of the pin, which is the round part of the tag. Number 2. Pull the part of the clothing with the tag away from the rest of the clothing. Move it as far away as possible so the ink doesn't ruin the clothing as much if the sensor cracks. Number 3. Slip a rubber band around the pin of the security tag. The rubber band should be large and thick enough to be strong, but thin enough to fit around the pin. This will loosen the pin. Number 4. Hold the larger part of the ink tag with one hand. Number 5. Pull the pin off with the other hand. The pressure of the pins should be strong enough so that the pin eventually pops off or easily pulls apart from the rest of the tag. If the rubber band didn't loosen it enough, try again with multiple rubber bands. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.